go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Click on that. See what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. This is coming from Infinity. Colorful light. Gorgeous shine. Light up the world. Yes, indeed. There we go. Same thing on the back. So we'll just open this up. Test this out. And like I said, we got the holidays fast approaching now, guys. This month is flying by already. And then pretty soon Santa Claus will be here. So you might want to start looking around at this. Ooh. This looks different. If I could get it out. There we go. We got it. Let me close this up. There we go. Here we go. Ooh. It's like a spear. Kind of like the thing in Vegas they got going on. We got, this is pretty cool. What does it say? Tear off transparent paper. Hopefully it's easy to tear off. Not sure why would they put it there. We could tell that this is the back. Oh man. Yeah, I wish they didn't do this. Or put some kind of other sticker. Some kind of other thing on it. There we go. Got some of it off. I just gotta get the last piece off. It's always that last piece that gives you the trouble. Hold on one sec. Well, I guess you could peel off the blue part. Look at that. Oh, there I am. Alright, give me a second now. Now I know what I'm doing. Yeah, see this corner? The film is right here. There we go. So this will look nice on a home desktop by your computer because it comes with a USB power. I'll show you that in a second. And there is an app for it, so you can use your mobile phone or your tablet or your whatever you use. I got a few of these to peel off, so bear with me in a minute, but definitely check them out. And we're going to get this thing rolling. Alright guys, once you get everything situated, you're going to download the app on your Android or your iOS app store. It's called, right there, Mohan LED. Once you get that going, you're going to install it. It's going to ask you for your password and all that good stuff. And then it comes with the remote control. We're going to do this now because it's still installing. We got some features. Off on auto, brightness, different RGBs, timers, different modes. RGB right there. Looks nice. And here's a pretty long USB connector. You plug it in. at the end of this right there. Actually, pretty fast. Alright, I gotta flip my tablet. So you can use your tablet, your pretty much smartphone, and all your other phone devices. So it tells you right there, enter app, agreement policy. Yes. Oh, you know, I just sign up for this. Alright, cool. So it's a basic kind of one. They got the dynamic mode. Oh, there you are, Mohan. You can hear it, voice control. They got different gradients, levels. All the way up, all the way down. You got the clock. You got the music, the rhythm. Pure music. Can we kiss forever? Oh, that's already pre-installed. Choose your colors. You know, now we're going to plug this in and test it out. Definitely check them out. And also make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Much appreciated. Always something new on this channel. You never know what's going to come through. I don't even know half the time. But this definitely looks cool. And a nice little desktop conversation piece. In case you do have people over. Ooh. Whoa. I see the LEDs. I don't know if you can see them. But they got the strip there. It's pretty trippy. But now it's getting dark out, so we can actually see. Okay, see blue. Ooh. Magic horse. That's fancy. I like that. Nice little extra lighting around. Classic white mode. Turn it up. It gets brighter. Yeah, now you can see the LEDs. Nice. Green, blue, Halloween colors. We'll go through modes. Whoa. I'm sure this is going to be bright once I turn off the main lights. That's pretty trippy. Alright, now I'm going to turn the lights off. There we go. We got the different modes on. That's cool. There we go. A lot of modes to go through. You can change the speed of the lights. Oh. Alright, slow down a little. There we go. You can always go back to music. I don't want to play it because, oh. See, it, you know, it goes with the voice. Dynamic. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. Mobile mic, out mic, either or. It is working pretty good. Cool. There's the modes again. And the color mode, we know. Classic colors that we all love. And like I said, the YouTubers, check them out. I'm not sure what this does. Oh, you can add other devices. You could always change the name of the device in case you compare it. And Bluetooth. So you can link up your music, you know, that goes with the sounds and all that good stuff. Good for studios, you know, something different. And that's it. kept you guys long enough. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good night. Check them out. Links down below. You guys be safe. Have a good day. And hopefully see you back tomorrow. Monday. Fun day. See ya.